Hey everyone, Talitha here, founder of lifeforcelocks.com. I'm a dreadloctician based in New Zealand, and I'm also a self-development coach. Welcome along to this video today. Today I wanted to talk to those of you in my community and maybe those of you about to become members of my community a little bit about itchy scalp spray. Especially in relation to just starting your dreadlock journey, okay? So as most of you know, it's recommended not to wash your hair for at least 4 weeks a month when you get your dreadlocks. And that's just to give them enough time to get established without them being disrupted or disturbed, and not washing them is going to help the locking up process. Some people will argue going in the ocean with the salt water will help, but I actually don't believe that that is to be true. From my reading and my experience, salt water isn't the best thing for dreadlocks, but we won't go there today. So if you are really struggling with hanging out for a shampoo of your dreadlocks, of your hair, of your scalp in the first month, then here's a tip for you. So you can create your own scalp spray. First of all, you're going to need a bottle, a spray bottle with a little, do you like the sound effect of that? So I just have lots of leftover skincare spray bottles, right? Okay, so this is a toning mist, hydrating toning mist for the face, and I just reuse the bottle. The liquid of choice that I choose to use in my bottle is filtered water, so I get rid of all the chlorinated crap in it, or colloidal silver. I'm not sure if you can see that, hopefully you can, it's probably back to front. But colloidal silver is a great antibiotic, well it kind of is, antibacterial liquid. It's good for putting on cuts and infected wounds. It's good for spraying down your throat when you have a sore throat. It's good for, I actually ingest it, I drink it. It's good to, as an antimicrobial, antibacterial tonic. So it's made from silver ions. Now, this is my colloidal silver from Alan K. Sutton. And I bought a few of these 500 mils once upon a time, but now I actually have my own colloidal silver generator. So I make my own colloidal silver, and that's what's in this. I just reuse the bottle now. So you can actually make your own colloidal silver. What it is 2 silver ions that sit in the water, and the water gets charged with that silver ion particle, and that's what makes it so awesome. So I put this inside of this, right? And then I take my pick as to what essential oil I want. Now, I'm not going to explain the benefits of all the essential oils out there. If one of them takes your fancy, you can go and Google the benefits of them. But these are the main ones that help with itchiness and antifungal and antibacterial type properties. So you've got rosemary. Rosemary is one of my favorites. This is from Kereru. That's the brand. They're a New Zealand brand. So rosemary oil, a few drops of that. You could put in organic lavender. Lavender's great for lots of things. Relaxing the scalp, anti-inflammatory, antibacterial. So lavender's really good. I like the smell of this one the best. You can also put peppermint in it. So I've got some peppermint. I personally don't use the peppermint because it irritates my nostrils. So I choose not to do the peppermint thing, but it is another good anti-itch, anti-inflammatory option. Dolphin Clinic, which is a New Zealand brand as well, I don't know if you can see the labeling, but anyway, they have a blend called Itch Impair, and it's a soothing blend of lavender, geranium, rose, chamomile. Chamomile's a really soothing essential oil as well, just like a chamomile tea is a really calming tea. So you could probably either blend those together if you want, or go and get a already pre-blended one. The one that I would say about this is that it's actually got a base of almond oil, so that might not go well in liquid. But you can go into stores and check out the blends and see what they've put with what, and then you can create your own. So anyway, those are some ideas. You can also use lemon. Lemon is another one that is an anti-itch. So get your essential oils, whatever ones you choose or one you choose. Put it into this dilute it in the liquid, and then you can just spray it on, spray it on your scalp. La la la. Right on the scalp. And that should be like a shower in a can, shower in a bottle. And that should help your, desire to wash your hair. Okay, and one other thing that I would say too, it's really probably quite beneficial for you to wean yourself off of shampoos and conditioners and go al natural and just use natural products like this. I often once a month use baking soda paste. I put baking soda powder on there, and then I put some colloidal silver. I tip that in, make a little paste, and then rub that baking soda. That stops the itch as well, and it helps manage fungal related stuff or dandruff related problems. And then I spray with apple cider vinegar, and that usually is enough. I've also got anti-dandruff shampoos that I sell. For those of you that don't wish to do the natural thing and you want to get natural shampoo bars, then that's an option too. So I've actually used the dandruff shampoo bar itself on my fringe and on the side parts, and it's really nice. There's no smell to it either, so for those of you that have sensitive skin and fragrances don't blend well with you, then you can try that. But yeah, hopefully this has helped. Colloidal silver, spray bottle, take your pick of essential oils, blend away, and enjoy your shower in a bottle. Okay, I think that's all from me today. I've been talking for far too long. Enjoy, get creative, let me know how it goes for you, and I'll see you really soon. Ka kite.